Hello, I want a movie ticket. What is playing today?
Good evening. Welcome to our cinema. We have many films.
I am very tired today. I want something happy. Is there a comedy?
Yes, we have a comedy. It is about a funny cat. People love it.
A funny cat? That sounds very cute. I love cats.
The movie is very popular. It started 10 minutes ago. Are you late?
Oh no, I missed the start. Is there another show?
Yes, the next show is soon. It starts at 7 o'clock. Can you wait?
7 o'clock is perfect. I have 30 minutes. I can relax.
That is a great plan. Our lobby is very cozy. You can sit there.
Thank you, Leo. The cinema is very bright. I like the red carpet.
We cleaned it this morning. We want everything perfect. It is a big night.
Is the cinema full today? I see many people. They look happy.
It is Friday night. Everyone wants to see movies. It is very busy.
I am glad I came. I need some magic. Movies are like magic.
I agree with you, Anna. Stories make us dream. They change our mood.
You are very poetic, Leo. Do you like movies too?
Yes, I watch them daily. It is the best job. I am very lucky.
I want to see posters. Where are they located?
They are on that wall. Go and look, Anna.
This poster is very colorful. It is a giant forest. Is it a fantasy?
Yes, it is a fantasy. There are magic birds. They can talk.
Magic birds sound wonderful, but I want the cat. Where is the cat?
The cat poster is here. Look at his big eyes. He looks very silly.
He is very silly. He has a tiny hat. Why a hat?
He is a detective cat. He finds lost milk. It is a mystery.
A mystery for kids, or is it for adults? I am curious.
It is for everyone, Anna. Adults laugh a lot too. The jokes are smart.
That is what I need. I want to laugh. My day was long.
What about this drama? It is a sad story. It is about a piano.
No drama today. I do not want tears. I want joy.
I understand you completely. Life is hard sometimes. We need smiles.
You are right, Leo. The cat movie is best. I am sure now.
Great. It is a good choice. The animation is beautiful.
Who made this movie? Is it a famous studio?
Yes, it is a big studio. They use many colors. Every frame is art.
I love beautiful art. I teach my students art. We draw every Friday.
That is very cool. You are a creative person. I can see it.
Thank you for the compliment. Let us buy the ticket.
Let us go to the counter. I'm ready.
So, one ticket for Detective Cat? Is it a long movie?
It is 90 minutes. It is not too long. It is just right.
That is perfect for me. I can go home early. My cat is waiting.
Is your cat a detective? Does she wear a hat?
No, she just sleeps. She's a very lazy, but she is sweet.
Most cats are like that. They are the bosses. We are the servants.
You are very funny, Leo. My cat thinks she is a queen.
I believe you, Anna. Now look at the screen. We must pick a time.
You said 7 o'clock. Is that the only one?
There is also 9 o'clock, but that is very late. You will be tired.
Yes, 7 is better. I want to see clearly. My eyes are tired.
Do you wear glasses or do you see well?
I have glasses at home, but I forgot them. Is the screen big?
The screen is very giant. You will see everything. The colors are bright.
That is good news. I can sit close. Is it okay?
Yes, you can sit anywhere. We have many free seats.
I want a good view. I do not like corners. They are too dark.
I will show you map. We have a digital screen. Look at these rows.
I see many blue. I like the middle row. Is row number 5 free?
Let me check the system. Yes, row 5 is empty. It is a great spot.
I want seat number 7. 7 is my lucky number.
Oh, I am sorry. Seat 7 is taken. A young boy bought it.
That is okay, Leo. What about seat 8? Is it free?
Yes, seat 8 is free. It is next to lucky 7. Is that okay?
That is fine with me. I will have a neighbor. I hope he is quiet.
Children are usually quiet. They love the detective cat. They watch closely.
I hope so, Leo. I want to hear jokes. I do not want noise.
You will be fine, Anna. The sound is very loud. You will hear everything.
Is it a 3D movie? Do I need special glasses?
No, it is 2D. It is classic and simple. No glasses are needed.
I prefer 2D movies. They are easy for eyes. I like the style.
Me too. It feels very nostalgic, like old Disney stories.
Yes, I love those stories. They have so much heart.
This movie has heart too. The cat helps a puppy. It is very moving.
Stop! No spoilers, Leo. I want to be surprised.
I am sorry, Anna. I talk too much. I will be quiet now.
You are just excited. I like your energy. It is very nice.
Thank you. Now, seat 8 is yours. I am locking it.
Thank you, Leo. It is a great seat.
Do you want some popcorn? It is fresh and warm. It smells great.
The smell is amazing. It fills the whole lobby. I am hungry.
We have salt or sugar. Which one do you prefer?
I want the salty one. Salt is better with movies. I love it.
We have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Which one, Anna?
Give me the medium size. It is for one person. I can eat it.
Do you want a drink? We have cold cola or fresh orange juice.
I will take the juice. I want to be healthy. Orange is my favorite.
Good choice, Anna. Juice is very refreshing. It is cold.
Do you have any chocolate? Maybe a small bar?
Yes, we have dark chocolate. It is near the napkins. Here it is.
I will take that too. Popcorn and chocolate are best. It is a feast.
You are ready for movie. You have a big tray. Be careful, Anna.
I am holding it tight. It is a bit heavy, but I am strong.
Do you need a straw for your orange juice?
Yes, a paper straw, please. We must protect the ocean.
You are very kind, Anna. We only use paper here. It is our rule.
That makes me very happy. I teach my kids that. Nature is important.
You are a great teacher. I am learning from you. Thank you.
You are welcome, Leo. Let us check the price.
I will calculate everything now. Wait a second. 1 ticket and the snacks. The total is $15.
That is a good price. I have my new card. Look at it, Leo.
Oh, a blue card. It looks like the sky. It is very pretty.
I got it at bank. Mr. Green helped me. He was very nice.
I know Mr. Green. He is a regular here. He loves westerns.
That is funny. He looks very serious, but he likes cowboys.
Everyone has a secret, Anna. Now, please tap your card.
I am tapping it now. Did it make a sound? I heard a beep.
Yes, the beep is good. The payment is successful. You are fast.
I learned it at bank. I am an expert now. I feel proud.
You should be proud, Anna. Technology is our friend.
Can I have my receipt? I need to check money. I am saving.
Here is your receipt. I put it on tray. Do not lose it.
Thank you, Leo. I am very organized now. My wallet is ready.
You are a perfect customer. You have a plan. I like that.
I try my best, Leo. Life is easier with plans. Do you agree?
I agree, but surprises are fun. Movies are full of them.
You are right about that. I am ready for surprise. The cat mystery.
It will be very funny. I promise you will laugh. Enjoy the show.
I will. I have my popcorn. I have my ticket.
Wait, I must print them. I am doing it now.
There are your paper tickets. They are very warm. The printer is busy.
They feel very nice. Row 5, seat 8. It is official.
Do not lose the ticket. The guard will ask for it. He is at door.
I will keep it safe. It is in my pocket. My pocket has a zip.
Perfect. You are a safe person. I like your white sweater.
Thank you, Leo. It is very soft. I like cozy clothes.
It is cold in theater. The air is very fresh. Your sweater is good.
I will be warm and happy. Popcorn will help too. It is warm.
The movie starts in 10. Go to hall number 3. It is on left.
Hall number 3. I will remember that. Is it a big hall?
It is our biggest hall. The screen is very tall. You will love it.
I am very excited now. My heart is beating fast. I love cinema.
I am happy for you. Have a wonderful time, Anna. See you later.
Will you be here later? I want to say bye. You were great.
My shift ends at 8. I will be at desk. Come and say hello.
I will do that, Leo. I will tell you about Cat. No spoilers, I promise.
That is a deal, Anna. I will wait for you. Have fun.
Thank you for your help. You are a great cashier. Best in town.
You are too kind, Anna. Go now. The lights are going down.
The theater is very dark. I can see some lights. They are blue.
Follow the blue lights, Anna. They show the way. Be very careful.
I am walking slowly. My popcorn is safe. I am not dropping it.
You are doing great. I can see you. You are near the door.
The curtains are red and heavy. They look like old velvet. I love it.
It is a classic style. We want a magic feeling. It is a theater.
I feel the magic now. The air smells like corn. It is very nostalgic.
Go to your row, Anna. Number 5 is in middle. You will see it.
I see a small light. It says row 5. I am almost there.
Is your seat empty? Is the boy there? Look at seat 7.
Yes, a boy is there. He has a big hat. He looks like a detective.
That is very funny. Maybe he is a fan. The movie is starting.
I am sitting down now. The chair is very soft. It is like a cloud.
Good. Put your drink in holder. Now you are ready. Relax your body.
I am relaxing. The screen is glowing. The music is starting now.
I must go back to work. Other people are coming. Enjoy your movie, Anna.
Thank you, Leo. I am waving my hand. Can you see me?
Yes, I see your hand. Have a big laugh. See you at 8.
Goodbye, Leo. This is so much fun. I am very happy.
Goodbye.